Hello people, bonjour, hola, ciao, kayora, nahu, namaste, guten tag. All these are ways to say hello to you, my beautiful people. Today I'm here to talk about the importance of vitamin C. If I were you, I'll supply myself a glass of something good and listen up or listen in. My name is Dr. Buchi and this is Dr. Buchi on Purpose YouTube channel. Vitamin C is basically a natural water-soluble vitamin, also known as ascorbic acid. It plays specific roles in the growth, development, and repair of every body tissue. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. It shields the cells against the effects that free radicals have. Do you know that when free radicals accumulate, they can promote a state called oxidative stress, which is associated with chronic diseases? Vitamin C is involved in so many activities in the body. This includes adequate functioning of the immune system, the maintenance of cartilage, teeth and bone, iron absorption, collagen formation, wound healing, etc. There are so many antioxidants and vitamin C is one of them. Vitamin C helps to defend against several impairments brought about by damaging molecules like free radicals or certain chemicals and pollutants such as smoke from cigarettes. Do you also know that free radicals can build up, develop and promote health conditions such as heart diseases, arthritis and cancer? Now, to stay away from stomach upset, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting and so on, daily safe upper limit of about 2,000 milligrams should not be exceeded. Even though so many dietary vitamin C unlikely to be harmful, overdose is not a big concern. Deficiency of vitamin C can bring about scurvy, and this deficiency is basically experienced by malnourished adults and is depleted in anemia, weakness, loose teeth, bleeding, and so on. Studies have unfolded that vitamin C gives more health benefits in many areas than we can envisage. And as they say, no vitamin among many can override significant health challenges. They regularly work in conjunction. Now let's look at the area in which vitamin C can have immense benefits. Number one, stroke. From studies, it was established that people with increased level of vitamin C in their blood were linked with about 40% lower stroke risk when compared to individuals with decreased levels. A research carried out by Fino K. Mayint established that individuals that ingested more fruits as well as more veggies will have more increased levels of vitamin C and increased consumption of some other nutrients that are rich to health like fiber and contain other vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C enhances metabolism and as such aid in weight loss, and it also boosts energy. Now, in skin aging, vitamin C is very essential. The antioxidant properties in vitamin C can be essential in the case of aging, as vitamin C helps to affect cells both externally and internally. High consumption of vitamin C can bring about a reduced chance of wrinkles appearance and skin dryness, or even improved skin aging appearance. In other words, treatment with vitamin C can reduce wrinkles, and vitamin C can also treat sunburn. Vitamin C can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It can strengthen the body's natural defense and fight inflammation. Vitamin C may be helpful in the management of high blood pressure, which exposes people to risk of heart diseases, the global frontline of most deaths. Vitamin C plays major role in lowering blood pressure. Consumption of vitamin C supplements help to relax the blood vessels that involves in carrying blood from the heart. In mature people living with high blood pressure, adults, vitamin C supplements decreases systolic blood pressure by 4.7 millimeter of mercury and diastolic blood pressure by 1.8 millimeter of mercury on the average. Vitamin C supplement has been connected to a lowered risk of heart diseases. These supplements have the potential to reduce heart disease risk, in addition to high blood levels of LDL and triglyceride. Consuming about 600 milligrams of vitamin C every day can decrease the rate of heart diseases. Now, vitamin C rich food and supplements can help to reduce uric acid level and support the prevention of clots. Vitamin C rich food can prevent iron deficiencies. Iron is vital in making red blood cells and transporting oxygen in the blood. Vitamin C supplement helps to improve the absorption of iron from the diet. It helps to convert iron that is poorly absorbed into a form which is easier to absorb. Vitamin C reduces the risk of iron deficiency. Vitamin C might help in the regeneration of vitamin E in the eye, which further enhances eye health and good sight. Vitamin C can help treat allergies, maintain healthy gums, and treat some viral infections. Vitamin C can boost immunity by aiding white blood cells function more efficiently. It strengthens the skin defense system and also helps wound heal much faster. Reduced concentration of vitamin C has been associated with raised risk of memory and thinking disorders such as dementia, while high level of vitamin C has proven to have a protective effect. Vitamin C can play roles in other areas such as the improvement of macular regeneration, to reduce inflammation, to lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases and cancer as well. How can you bring in more vitamin C in your diet? Vitamin C is present in so many fruits and vegetables, and for this reason the consumption of food rich in vitamin C is necessary. The fruits that are richest in these antioxidants are green peppers, strawberries, tomato, white potatoes, pineapples, winter squash, cauliflowers, papaya, dark leafy greens, watermelons, Brussels, sprouts, citrus fruits, etc. The simple ways to add more fruits and veggies to your diet often include to eat raw vegetables often, and then to your cereals, pancakes, salad, muffins, you can add fresh or frozen berries. As low-calorie snacks, mid-lunch or brunch, have fun with a glass of vegetable juice. Keep cut fruits and veggies handy for easy snacks. Drop some dried fruit on cereals or into a baggie with some nuts. In your sandwiches, add tomato, dark lettuce, broccoli, etc. I believe that with these few hints about the powers of vitamin C, we'll be able to practice what we have learned to keep living healthy. Thank you for staying true. Till we have another section, keep staying healthy. Thank you.